Hey Sunny, my name is Wendy and today we are going over everything you need to know about getting started on the Treadpad. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date with all of our new Treadpad workouts. Hey Sunny, my name is Wendy and today we are going over your Treadpad so that you can get started right away. So let's just point out a few things before we step on. As always, for any safety concerns, we really encourage you to attach the red clip to your shirt before you step onto the Treadpad, because it will keep you safe as you go in case something happens and you slip off the back. This will tug on it and stop the Treadpad completely. So I just want to point out a few things as we step up onto here. This Treadpad is more narrow than a treadmill would be. So we're just noticing that just as far as your feet planting on the Treadpad, just noticing as you're walking under your desk. It is set a little bit more narrow so that you can put it under your desk, which is where most people have it. So I just want to point out a few features. You're going to have your remote that comes with your Treadpad, and this can adjust your speed and your incline. So as we start, it's going to beep 3 times here. It counts down for you to let you know that it's about to begin, and it'll start at a 0.5 here. So we're going to start really slow. It's super easy. So again, incline is on here as well. The incline can go up to a 6 and the speed can go up to a 3.7. You obviously are not going to need much more than that, especially if this is under your desk. You're probably not running to a meeting because you're on Zoom. So either way though, you can keep walking while you're doing meetings or any work, which is great. It's why we bought it. So I just want to go over a few things here as far as form goes as you're stepping onto it, just noting in your head that it is a little bit more narrow so that your steps are not going wider out, because if you do step wider out, it's going to catch this side track right here and your foot's going to wobble on it. The side track is there for some reason. If you need to take a moment and just step off to the side, get your thoughts back together, and then you can step back on again. Obviously, if you pull this red clip, it's going to stop it completely. Like I said, it just gives you an opportunity to control this a little bit further if you don't have the remote in your hand the whole time. So as far as form goes, feet will be stepping forward. You want your feet aligned with the rest of your body, keeping it a normal motion here. Hips are over ankles and shoulders are over hips. You're keeping an upright position, not hunching and hovering. You're gonna really roll those shoulders back. Oftentimes people keep their shoulders up really high when they're at work, so we're gonna drop your shoulders, keep everything aligned, and eyes focus forward. Hopefully your computer, if that's what's in front of you, is right in front of you and not off to the side. We don't want any cranks in your neck. So we're gonna keep everything level and everything straightforward. So let's talk about how you can begin on this if you have never worked on it before. There is a gradual progression that can be made. Obviously, you can start in this very slow walking position. We have some videos on the app and YouTube that will go over some mindfulness meditations in case you want to do a nice slow walk in the middle of your day and just a little bit relax as you go. We also have harder workouts for you that will increase in incline and increase in speed. So as we go, you'll hear a beep every time it goes up. Silence any meetings in case you're using the remote. And you can start this process of increasing your speed and your incline. So what I encourage you to do as far as getting familiar with the Treadpad is just start at a slower pace and start at a flat position. So at a 0 here, and then you can always, at a 1 on incline. You can always rise the incline as you're going. Sometimes increasing your incline to a 6, but keeping it kind of at a slower pace is a great way to get a quad burn. And you can always start slower in any of these things as far as your warm-up goes to just be able to pace yourself and get familiar with this. So as you increase your ability on this and you become more comfortable on it, you can start increasing your speed and your incline, and you can start doing the workouts with us that feel more comfortable to you. We have a range of workouts from beginning to advanced while you're still working at your desk if you need to, or just taking a break in the middle of the day. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in one of our workouts soon.